Top of the morning to you, lads. Rainbow Six Siege connectivity issues? Not on our watch. Are you tired of getting kicked out of Rainbow Six Siege mid-match? Connection errors, high ping, and frustrating disconnections ruining your game? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 7 proven fixes to get you back in action and dominating your matches. We'll be flushing DNS caches, tweaking game files, and even performing a clean boot. Stay till the end for a secret tip that might just be your game changer. First up, we're going to give your internet connection a good old refresh. Just open up your command prompt by searching for it. Make sure to run it as an administrator by right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. Now type in ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. Next up, type in ipconfig/renew and hit enter again. Easy peasy, right? Alright, let's get our hands a little dirty and dive into the game settings.ini file. First, you gotta find where the game is hiding this file. It's usually located deep within your game files. Once you've located the game settings.ini file, right-click on it and open it with Notepad. Search for Use Proxy Auto Discovery and change the value from 0 to 1. Save the file and close it. Give it a try. You might be surprised at the difference. Let's make sure those game files are squeaky clean. Corrupted files can cause all sorts of chaos from lag to crashes. If you're on Steam, right-click on Rainbow Six Siege in your library, go to Properties, head over to Local Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then do its thing, scanning and fixing any corrupted files it finds. If you're playing on Ubisoft Connect, it's a similar process. This process might take a bit of time, but it's worth it to ensure that your game is running as smooth as a baby's bottom. Alright, time to channel our inner tech wizards and change our DNS settings. Sometimes using your default DNS server can lead to slower connection speeds. That's where Google's public DNS comes in to save the day. To change your DNS settings, go to your network connections, usually found in the control panel. Right-click on your active internet connection and select Properties. Look for Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click on Properties again. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the following. For the preferred DNS server, type in 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, type in 8.8.4.4. Restart your computer to make sure the changes take effect. Port forwarding can sound intimidating, but it's like giving your game a VIP pass through your router's firewall. To get started, you need to know your router's IP address. You can usually find this on a sticker on the back or bottom of your router. Once you have the IP address, type it into your web browser's address bar. This will take you to your router's login page. Enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, look for a section called Port Forwarding or Virtual Servers. Now add new port forwarding rules for Rainbow Six Siege. The specific ports you need to forward for Rainbow Six Siege can usually be found on Ubisoft's website or through a quick Google search. Save the changes and restart your router for the port forwarding rules to take effect. Sometimes other programs running in the background can interfere with Rainbow Six Siege, causing lag and connection issues. A clean boot helps identify if that's the culprit. First, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type misconfig and hit Enter. This will open the system configuration window. Go to the Services tab and check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. Now click on Disable All to temporarily disable all non-Microsoft services. Next, go to the Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. Disable any programs that you don't need running in the background while playing Rainbow Six Siege. Once you've disabled the startup programs, close Task Manager and go back to the System Configuration window. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Before you start ripping your hair out, let's make sure the problem isn't on Ubisoft's end. Sometimes the Rainbow Six Siege servers might be down for maintenance or experiencing technical difficulties. To check the server status, head over to the official Ubisoft website or their social media channels. If the servers are down, there's not much you can do but wait it out. No point in stressing over something you have no control over, right? Connectivity issues crushed. Did one of these fixes work for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you're still having trouble, check out my next video on boosting FPS in Rainbow Six Siege. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. I hope these tips helped you banish those pesky connection errors and get back to what really matters. clutching those rounds and becoming the ultimate Rainbow Six Siege champion. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, peace out. Peace.